What's up, everyone? Today, a little bit of a short video, basically a Bitcoin video. I'm just going to call it a Bitcoin video. I am looking at the broader market today. It is Saturday today. I'm probably posting this tomorrow on a Sunday, but this is something I basically do every weekend. I kind of look at where is the market at? What are we doing? We talk about this in the live streams we do with the crypto school as well. Basically, what is the outlook from last week into next week? Now, this week we're ending this week, starting this week, however you want to look at it. We're in very fearful territory. Bitcoin has crashed below 100K. And basically the fear and greed index is at I won't say an all-time low, but it's very low. I do think there is, however, a positive to that. So let's just get into the rest of the video. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. And yeah, basically, what is my outlook for Bitcoin? Let's get into it. Oh, by the way, once again, if you like these videos, please do me a massive favor and please like and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into the... All right, so here we are. As you all know, or most of you know, I'm a spot investor. I call myself a spot investor because I'm not actively trading every day. I'm not staring blindly at charts every day. I'm not trying to trade $1,000 into $1 million. Everyone would like to do that, but I think it costs a lot of time and not everyone is going. A lot of people will lose that $1,000. So I take a more laid back approach, slow and steady, buy when the market is fearful, buy when everything's red, buy when everyone is selling. Basically, when everyone is panicking, that's when I want to be buying. So I kind of gave away the clue to this video already. But what I wanted to do was look at CoinMarketCap, but basically look at the basics of CoinMarketCap. Now, what can we see on CoinMarketCap? The total crypto market cap. We can see the fear and greed index and basically altcoin season. I don't really care much for this one. And I think I like that they added the average crypto RSI, which is showing oversold or overbought. Right now, slightly oversold. So I think this is indicative of we're not there yet. Like we could crash lower than this. I don't really expect it to, since a lot of the selling volume has died down, but it theoretically could happen. Now, what I want to do is, yes, we have Bitcoin. Obviously, from its all-time high, we're now seeing quite a big correction. And now, below 100K, I think Bitcoin is becoming very interesting again. And yes, there is still massive manipulation. I don't agree with manipulation, but sadly, it is the way the world we live in. We cannot really do much about it, especially since legislation in America is basically non-existent at this point, so a lot of people can get away with pretty much anything. So I don't expect this to change anytime soon. Now, with that said, like now we're at a point where I think Bitcoin is becoming, I won't say it's cheap because obviously Bitcoin is the most expensive crypto around, but from its all-time high, we're down quite considerably. And I think there is quite a bit of room for margin right now, because I think a discount of more than 20, almost 30% on Bitcoin, I think that's the time when I want to be buying, at least me personally. So on the yearly, even, oh, look at that, even on the yearly, it's only up 7%. I think it's slightly distortive because we came from a lot lower than that before that. And there's not really nothing to prove that it won't do that again. But I think with all the shift to Bitcoin, to crypto in general, I don't think that'll happen. There's too much interest and too much at stake for that to actively happen. So I expect a lot more buying to be happening already at this price, in all honesty. But we could very well, we could see like 80, 85K happening. I don't really see that happening right now, but it could. And all the way down, I will be buying those prices. I wasn't buying Bitcoin above 110, around 120. I wasn't buying Bitcoin. But right now, I think personally that we're getting to a point where Bitcoin is interesting again. And even on Bitcoin, like if it goes back up to its all-time high, that's a 30% gain on Bitcoin on spot. So you do not need leverage. You do not run the risk of being liquidated. And like argumentatively, Bitcoin is the most stable crypto asset there is. And I still think it's becoming more and more important as a hedge against dollars and euros, for that matter, against fiat currencies, basically, which I think sparked a lot of its run up initially. And I also think that's why gold is doing as well as it is. Bitcoin being, in my eyes, a digital form of gold, a digital store of value. So during these times, during these crashes, during these corrections, a lot of people are turning away from crypto and are being jaded and whatever, or got wiped on trades, whatever. And like there's so much negativity in the market, and I just basically wanted to make this video to keep some positivity in it. Like to every downside there is an upside. Like every single person that was trying to debate wanting to get into Bitcoin at 120k, like why not do it now? Like now we're below 100k. The price has significantly cooled down from its all-time high. Hype is down, market interest is down. And I've said this in the past, you can trade the fear and greed index, because if we click on that, every time it's hit that little low, basically every time it's hit that low, and I checked it down yearly, it's, yeah, they did a little fake out here and it went back down, but every time it corrects massively. So I still think, we're at the cusp of a reversal. And I've said it before, like it might not happen this year, but I'm fine. I have the time. I can wait. I probably expect this to happen around, basically around here. Like we see it exactly here around April, this year in April. I was last year in December, November, December, I was saying the exact same thing. Like I last year said, like, hey, we're at a low, we're gonna go higher. Yes, it crashed down, but after that we saw a massive run up. So this isn't 100% indicative for the prices yet, but each time we touched it, we reversed. So I think we're gonna hit a reversal. I do think we're gonna go higher. I do not see us going down all the way back to 15k. I don't see that happening. Obviously I can be wrong. I'm kind of hoping I'm wrong, because honestly, with the run Bitcoin has had, I would love to be able to buy Bitcoin at 15k, even 20k, 25, all good. I would instantly buy Bitcoin, but I don't see that happening. I really don't see that happening with institutional interest in Bitcoin right now, with ETFs being approved, coming out. Yeah, I don't see it happening. Anyways, I just wanted to make this video to keep a little positivity in the market, because overall crypto interest is down, while technically it should be going up right now. Like every single person that wanted to buy not just Bitcoin, but even if you're a fan of Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Solana, pretty much every crypto is down on the 7 days. So every crypto you want to get into, or you wanted to have bought more of, unless you're leverage trading and you were long, then yeah, you won't like this these times. But every single asset you want to own is cheaper right now. And yes, like crypto is not, contrary to what a lot of people think, crypto is not a get-rich-quick scheme. At least it's not anymore. It used to be in the past, when people got in early, tokens went 10x, 100x, that time has passed. Like you can get some, 1 out of thousands might be lucky on meme coins. Everyone else will lose out. So yeah, I rarely bother with meme coins anymore, if at all. And even if I do, it's a token amount, just worthy of a little gamble. So I focus my time on these, and during these times I buy. All right, so that concludes today's video. I just wanted to get this out there. And yeah, hope everyone is staying positive, is buying more. Let me know what you're buying or where you're looking at. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video, guys. Have a great weekend.